The artist Marc Rees chose 12 objects from the Carmarthen County Museum to represent the 12 themes of the theatre project Tir Sir Gâr. This is the story of one of those objects. The object which represents the theme, transformation, is this colourful mineral. The mineral itself is called agate, and unlike many of the objects which represent the various themes of Tir Sir Gâr, it is not from Carmarthenshire, or even Britain, but possibly from the tropics. Agate is the banded form of the mineral chalcedony, a variety of quartz. It is named after the Agate river on the island of Sicily, Italy, as the upper waters were an ancient source of this gemstone. This rather mysterious object most likely came to Carmarthen Museum many years ago as part of a small elementary geological collection described as fossils, minerals, relics and curiosities taken from the Carmarthen Literary and Scientific Institution. Originally named the Carmarthen Mechanics Institute, it was established around 1839 by 13 men, although according to records at the Carmarthen Museum, one unnamed lecturer in particular was astonished that no mechanics were present. The institution was generally thought of as something for the middle classes, Carmarthen's contribution to the British Empire, and was active until the time of World War II. One of the gentlemen who established the Mechanics Institute was printer and publisher William Spurrell. A pupil of the Queen Elizabeth Grammar School in Carmarthen during the 1820s, Spurrell travelled to London in 1835 and worked for Bradbury and Evans printers and publishers for some years before returning to his native Carmarthen to open his own printing works in Spurrell Court, moving to King Street in 1841. He earned a good reputation as a printer, and perhaps his most famously printed works were the Welsh-English Dictionary of 1848 and the English-Welsh Dictionary a few years later.